How to make thousands of dollars in passive income this year from one weekend worth of work. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan from James Jernigan SEO and Digital Marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars this year from one weekend worth of work. Now, what I'm talking about is selling digital products on the internet, and it's a lot easier than you think. So before we go any further, I do have to clarify and say that the average person trying to make money online ends up making zero. So take this as a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This is just what's worked for me. I'm hoping it'll work for you. There's no guarantee that it will. Most people make nothing because they're lazy and they don't do anything. So if you're actually going to take action and do what I'm going to show you, I have a feeling it can work for you, but like I said, I can't guarantee. So let's jump into it. What am I talking about? Like I said, selling digital products on the internet. Courses, memberships, downloads, whatever kind of digital product you want to sell, I want to show you how to do it, and I'm going to show you how to get started for free so that you can add thousands of dollars in passive income to your bottom line this year. That's what it's done for me, and that's what I want to show you. So if I pull up a tab here, first of all, if you want to find the training on how to do this, it is completely free. Search groovemember fast and you will find this tutorial here. It is, I believe, about an hour long, and I show you how to set up your own membership website, your own course. And this is what has added thousands of dollars to the bottom line of my business with work that took me one weekend to complete. So here is my the main course I created, howtorank.com, and this shows people how to rank on the first page of Google search results using free websites. The free websites that I show you how to build here for free. So the difference is this training over the course of 7 days shows how to make the free course you build here in this training show up in Google search results for free without spending a bunch of money. So I also created one other digital product, and this is CTR manipulation. And basically, if you create YouTube videos and you want them to rank at the top of search results, here in this case, groovemember fast, you can see my tutorial here for groovemember is ranking above groovefunnels itself. Here they have how to create your membership in groovemember and groovemember V2 update. This is from a month ago, and this is from a year ago, and here's my video from 9 months ago ranking above both of them. The way that you could do that really easily is using a technique called CTR manipulation, and here is a second training that I've created showing people how to do that. And between these two products, by the way, here are a couple shout outs, one from Craig Campbell, another from Paul James, very big YouTubers here on the platform who I gave my training to. I said, hey, check it out, let me know what you think. They both found that it helped what they were doing, so I have no doubt that if you're on YouTube and you're trying to get similar results, this can help you do the same. But the reason I show you that is because I created both of these courses using the exact technique I show you here, using the free software called GrooveFunnels, which, by the way, is linked down below. When I say free, I mean it is completely free, totally free. You don't even need a credit card. Now, the catch is you'll only be able to create one of these membership websites, one course, using the free account. Now, if you upgrade, and I believe they're ending this upgrade within a month, but if you upgrade now, this month, you'll be able to get lifetime access for one payment and never have to pay for the software again, and create unlimited courses, unlimited websites, unlimited memberships, and unlimited digital products, which is a lot better than one, which is what you get for free. But hey, if you're just trying to check it out, you're not sure if this is for you, grab your free account down below and then follow along with my tutorial. Like I said, in just about an hour here, I show you how to set up your own course. Now, obviously, it's going to take you a little longer than that to create the videos that you have. So you can see in my course, I have 7, 8, 9, 10 videos within this course. So it's going to take you a little bit longer than an hour to create those 10 videos. But in an hour, you will know how to set up the entire process so that it works from start to finish, and you can actually start making money for whatever it is that you know. And these are my two examples here. And like I said, just between these two digital products, I have added thousands of dollars to the bottom line of my business passively, because it only took me about a week or between a weekend and a week to create each of these trainings. And with that 1 week's worth of work, I now make money every time someone purchases one of these products, and it requires very little work for me. Occasionally people have questions and they send me an email and I answer it, but it's not like when I was selling services and someone would buy a service and then it would be great that I made a sale, I had some money coming in, but now I'd have a whole bunch of work to do, right? I'd have to go create this person a website, or I'd have to create a video for them, or make content, or do an SEO audit. Whereas now with digital products, when someone buys a digital product, they buy it, the money gets transferred, and then it's automated, right? They get in the case of my SEO training, there is it's a 7-day training. 1 video unlocks per day, so each day they log in and they watch the next video, and then by the end of the week they have access to all the content and it stays unlocked and they have lifetime access. In the course of this training, this is a 45-minute training, so it's very short. People pay, they get the training, they get the results here that Craig Campbell and Paul James and countless other people have got, and that's about it. So you could see by creating digital products, it's another thing that you can add to your business that once you set it up, it just kind of runs on autopilot, and then you're free to create another one and another one and another one. So these are 2 examples I've shown you. I'm in the process of creating even more courses because digital content is exploding. No matter how much people want to make fun of course gurus and say that everyone's selling a course, well, the reason everyone is selling a course is because more people than ever are looking to learn online, and they're tired of scrolling through countless hundreds and hundreds of YouTube videos on the same topic to find what it is they need, which is why I specialize in showing people how to make their videos show up at the top of YouTube here, as well as how to show up at the top of Google. So for example, if we search GrooveFunnels SEO here on Google, again, here is my face with a video showing up great big here, #1 on Google, and this is again above GrooveFunnels itself here. Did you know GrooveFunnels, GroovePages is awesome for SEO, GroovePages SEO again from GrooveCM. And then if we scroll down here, GrooveFunnels blog is here, and again here's my website showing up. So both my website is on the first page as well as a YouTube video. That's what I show people how to do here in this 7-day training, as well as the 45-minute CTR manipulation training. So that's what I do. I don't know what you do, but I'm sure if you can record a quick video about it, showing other people how to do it, you can then sell that video for money and do like I did and add thousands of dollars to your bottom line passively with about a week's worth of work, or even you might be able to get it done in a weekend if you follow along with my free training here, groovemember Fast, how to set up your GrooveFunnels course quickly. So I hope this helps. If it did, do me a favor, smash like so that more people see the video. If you want to see more content like this, click the red subscribe button down below. And other than that, I can't wait to see your website on the first page of Google.